So good morning students, welcome to online classes of Lal Public School. Today we will discuss question answers of chapter number 6, okay? And chapter name is Rocks and Minerals. So let's start. Pick the correct answer. Which of the following is an igneous rocks, okay? So here is options are pumice, shale, marble and slate, okay? And our correct answer is pumice, okay? It's an example of igneous rock. Clear? Now, second one is the most common mineral found in sandstone is. And options are quartz, mica, feldspar, and calcium. Okay. So our correct answer is quartz. Okay. It's a primary ingredients for the manufacture of glass used in watches. Okay. Third one is chalk is a form of, and options are sandstone, igneous rock, limestone, and slate. And our correct answer is limestone. Now, fourth one is coal is a kind of. Options are igneous rock, metamorphic rock, sedimentary rock, and none of these. And our correct answer is sedimentary rock. Clear? Now, next one is gneiss is formed from. Options are sandstone, limestone, shale, and granite. And our correct answer is granite. Okay. Now come to next one. Here is some dictation word, that is minerals, igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic, limestone, quartz, pumice, granite, gemstone, metallic, and non-metallic. Okay. So you have to learn these words. Now next third question is fill in the blanks. Rocks are made of minerals. Second one is when hot molten rocks flow out of the earth's surface, it is called lava. Third is about 95% of the earth crust is made of igneous rocks. Fourth one is shale and sandstone are example of sedimentary rocks. And fifth one is marble is formed from limestone. Clear? Now next question number 4 is true false. First one is rocks are made up of minerals. So this statement is true. Granite is used in polishing the floors. This statement is false. Now third one is the Agra fort in Agra is made of red sandstone. So this statement is true. And the fourth one is slate is formed from shale and igneous rock. This statement is also false. Okay. Slate is formed from shale, but it's a sedimentary rock. Okay. Not igneous rock. So that's why this statement is false. Now, fifth one is rocks give us fuels like coal, petroleum, and uranium. So this statement is true. Fifth one is one word. First question is what is the full form of LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas? Which kind of rocks are transforms of sedimentary and igneous rock? So our correct answer is metamorphic rocks. Okay, we all know कि metamorphic rocks जो हैं temperature and प्रेशर की वजह से igneous rock and sedimentary rock में ही ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन से metamorphic rock जो है वो फॉर्मेशन होता है उनका. Clear? Which igneous rock is porous and can float on water? Okay, porous means उसमें pore present होते हैं. Okay, and वो बहुत ही light weight होती है easily water पर float कर सकती है. Okay, that is pumice. Now fourth one is which type of rock is formed by the cooling of molten lava? Okay, जो hot molten rocks हैं या molten lava जो होता है, okay, उसके cooling से and hardening से किस type की rock का formation होता है? That is igneous rock. Okay. Fifth one is which type of rock is formed by the deposition of sediment? So our correct answer is sedimentary rocks. Okay. रॉक जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, ओके, या जो सैंड पार्टिकल्स होते हैं उनका लेयर में डिपोजिशन होता है. ओके, किसी भी जो भी वाटर बॉडीज होती है उनके बॉटम में. ओके, सो सेडिमेंट के डिपोजिशन से ही कौन सी रॉक का फॉर्मेशन होता है? सेडिमेंट्री रॉक का. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज नेम देम. The rock which is used for making blackboard formation में जिस rock का use किया जाता है that is slate. It is formed from limestone, a sedimentary rock, and our answer is marble. Okay, marble का formation किस होता है limestone से, and limestone is a sedimentary rock. Third one is it is formed by the cooling of lava on the earth surface, that is basalt. Okay, बहुत ही quickly cooling होती है okay lava की earth की surface पर, and then किसका formation होता है basalt. Fourth one is it is lightweight and can float on water, and our correct answer is pumice. It is made from clay particles cemented together. Okay, ये जो rock है जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं इसमें clay particles cemented together means एक दूसरे के साथ में connect होते हैं, bond होते हैं, and our correct answer is shale. Okay, shale का जो formation है वो clay particle के together cemented होने से shale का formation होता है. Clear? Now next one is name the following two examples of igneous rock, that is granite and pumice. Two fuels that we get from rocks, that is petrol and diesel. Okay, two fuels जो कि हम rock से get कर सकते हैं. Next one is two examples of metallic minerals, that is silver and gold. Two examples of metamorphic rocks, marble and slate. Next one is two examples of sedimentary rocks, that is sandstone and shale. आप यहाँ पर कोई भी metamorphic rock या sedimentary rock के आपसे examples पूछे जा रहे हैं तो आप कोई भी two examples यहाँ पर write down कर सकते हैं. Okay? Now next is define. First one is igneous rock. So rocks formed by the cooling and hardening of hot molten rocks are called igneous rocks. Second one is sedimentary rocks. So rocks formed by the repeated deposition of layers are called sedimentary rocks. Third is minerals are chemical substances that occur naturally on the earth. Okay, minerals कहते हैं chemical substance होते हैं and ये earth में naturally present होते हैं. Clear? Now next 9th question is differentiate between, write the difference between shale and slate. So first difference is shale is made from clay particles and slate is formed from shale rocks. Okay, shale is used to make bricks and tiles, and slate is used to make blackboard and small slates. Clear? Now question answer. Question number 1 is how are sedimentary rocks formed? Name different types of sedimentary rocks. You all know that how sedimentary rocks are formed. Sedimentary rocks are formed by repeated deposition of or layers of rocks particle. Sandstone, conglomerate, shale and limestones are sedimentary rocks. Okay. What is the difference between lava and magma? Lava is the hot molten rocks that flow on the surface of the earth, while magma is the hot molten rock present inside the earth. Clear? Next question number 3 is what are igneous rocks? Name any two igneous rocks. So the rocks formed by the cooling and hardening of the molten rocks are called igneous rock, and granite, pumice and basalt are igneous rock. Next 4th question is write two uses of metallic minerals. So two uses of metallic minerals are silver and gold. Metallic rocks are used to make jewelry, and iron and aluminium are used to make utensils and wires. Question number 5 is describe the uses of rocks and minerals. So the uses of rocks and minerals are rocks and minerals are used as building material. Rocks give us fuel like coal, petroleum and uranium. Rocks give us useful metals like aluminium, iron and copper. Rocks give us gemstone like diamond, ruby, emerald and sapphire are the minerals used as gemstone. Next question number 6 is what is coal, how it is formed and what are its uses. So coal is a kind of sedimentary rocks, and millions of years ago, the earth was covered with thick swampy forest. When plants died, they fell into the swamp and got buried down due to high temperature and pressure. These plants got converted into coal. And coal is used as a fuel for cooking, for producing electricity, and in steam engines. Clear? Now question number 7 is what is petroleum and give its uses. Petroleum क्या है और उसके uses हमें बताने हैं. So petroleum is formed from the remains of dead plants and sea animals which got buried under the sea millions of years ago. And it is mostly used as a fuel in different form like petrol, diesel, kerosene and LPG. It is used for dry cleaning the clothes also. Clear? So here is our question answer of chapter number 6 is completed. I hope you all understood about that. So our next chapter we will continue in our next meeting.